Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab game. First, you'll need to grasp the fundamental mechanics of a survival game, focusing on player objectives and interactions. Next, select a robust game engine such as Unity or Unreal Engine to build your project. Carefully plan your game's unique challenges and rules, ensuring they align with your vision. Think about how players will move, interact with the environment, and progress through the game. Now, let's dive into core mechanics. Implement smooth player movement, including essential techniques like diagonal movement and sliding for speed and evasion. A robust game lobby and matchmaking system are crucial for multiplayer experiences, allowing players to connect easily. Design a variety of minigames, each with clear objectives and engaging gameplay, to keep players entertained and challenged. Moving on to aesthetics and quality, focus on designing compelling 3D models and immersive environments that enhance the player experience. Integrate appropriate sound effects and background music to create an engaging audio landscape. Finally, rigorous testing is paramount. Conduct thorough testing for any bugs, glitches, or balancing issues to ensure a polished and enjoyable game for everyone. For launching your game, think about monetization strategies such as in-game purchases, subscriptions, or advertising to generate revenue. Develop a solid marketing plan to reach your target audience and actively engage with your community to build excitement. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. A strong launch and ongoing support are key to your game's long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.